I want to show you what someone just dropped off to me. At least $100 worth of food, supplies, and water. The kindness that I have seen is amazing. This lady's name was Kelly, and um, she's the second person that's brought me water and whatever. They don't know me from Adam. This is the one thing about living in the van. It's just been a lot of kindness. It's unbelievable. I didn't ask for anything. These people just bring it up, and at first I told her no. I said, and she goes, no, 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 it's okay. We bought all this. She had bags of food in there, and she gave me 3 bags of food. And I told her, I said, I'm going to share with the homeless, if you don't mind. And she said, not at all. So I just thought this is just an amazing part of